Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. This one is Sad Boy here with, let's see, Kylie, Cantrall, R3HAB, Ava Max, Jonas Blue, Tiger Woods, Shaquille O'Neal, Mickey Mouse, Michael Jordan. Yeah, maybe it's somebody that I forgot there, but yeah, Sad Boy, pretty easy to play there. No need for any capo and 4 chords. So let's start with those. We have the C sharp minor first, like this. So we need to bar the 4th fret here from the A string and down. And the rest will be 6 on D string, 6 on the G string, and 5th on the B string. That's the C sharp minor. Then we have A. So open A string, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Next will be the B. So you need to bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down. And the rest will be 4th here on the D string, 4th on G, and 4th on B. And then we have finally the G sharp minor. So you bar all strings here on the 4th fret. And the rest will be 6 here on the A string and 6 on the D string. So that is actually the chord progression through the entire song here. The C sharp minor, to A, to B, to G sharp minor. Alright, and we need to learn a strumming pattern here. So it's very easy. It will be down, down. That is 1 round, so to speak. And you will play that for 4 rounds for each chord. So down, down times 4 on each chord. And it will sound like this. That is 1 chord progression. So what I do there when I play down, down, I play on the first down more on the bass strings here. Right, and on the next down I play more on the middle strings here. Not on the top strings, I try to avoid them, but middle slash bass on the 2nd down. So yeah, so that is actually how this song goes. And if you speed up, it will sound like this. Yeah. And you should play probably somewhere in between of that tempo there. So yeah, you know, this covers this song because it goes round and round like this through the entire song. So I believe that's it for this time. And I want to take the time to just tell you that I really appreciate you guys who are loyal here on this channel and still subscribes and likes and everything that makes this so great. So yeah, thank you to all guys and see you soon. Don't forget, play tuned.